Alright, so right now I just been getting wiring out of here, disconnecting everything. I got it all like lettered and stuff. That one's G and like these ones are all marked, bottom, top, focus, top. It's all marked. So the other day my oil pump cracked, so that's the reason why I'm starting this. And then I was like, oh well, oil pump cracked, buy a new one. I have an oil pan gasket, I can do all this stuff. I can take it out, clean it, repaint it. So me and my grandpa just started hammering down on it, and so we got the coolant all done, the radiators over here, radiator overflow box, the alternator, the air cleaner, for the windshield wiper fluid, the hood, battery tray, the AC brackets. But yeah, this is my baby. And the gauges I was putting in. So I'm using my tires as a stand for me, because I mean I'm 6'1", but I lifted the car so high, now I have to use something to bend over way in the engine bay. But man, there she is. It's all coming out.